Hello, welcome to Anjurisa channel, and in this video I will show you how to make this hair bow embellished with beautiful lace. So the first thing is we are going to need satin fabric, or you can use any fabric, and lace, hair ties or hair clip, and then scissors and hot glue gun to attach the hair clips. So the size of this satin fabric is 32 centimeters by 15 centimeters. I will write the size in inches in the video here, and because I find it difficult to convert centimeter to inches in a jiffy. So let's get started. First, I will fold the fabric in half. This is to determine the center, the right center here. And you can see this line here, and then I will fold the fabric in half again. This is to determine the quarter part of the fabric. It's about here. I will draw it with a water erasable marking pen. You can check out this pen in the description below. So I will use two cotton lace here. The one is, let me see the width. One is about 1 centimeter width, and the other is 2 centimeter width. So I will sew the 1 centimeter cotton lace right on the line that we just draw. After I sew the small cotton lace, I will sew the larger cotton lace right here. So it will look like this. Now fold the fabric in half, and we are going to sew it right here. And to make it easier, I will sew right on the previous sewing thread here. It's like this. And you can see I sew right on the previous sewing thread. And this is actually not a big deal, but you can always trim this off. It's actually hidden after you turn the fabric inside out. Just trim this off. OMG, the fabric is too frayed. Next, turn the fabric inside out. This is easy because the fabric is quite wider. Next is to press the fabric flat down. You know, pressing fabric is very important, especially if you are making this for sale. This will make the bow looks more professional. Next, because I am using satin fabric here, and I will trim this off. Trim this off. The other one. And I will seal the fabric so the fabric won't be too frayed. This only works on synthetic fabric. Synthetic fabric like chiffon, satin, organza, and lining fabric. Oops. Next, I'm going to draw the exact center of our fabric. So I put the ruler here and fold the fabric in half so I can draw the exact center of this. Next is to fold the left and right side to the middle here, to the line here, and sew this part. This is to make our bow more symmetric. I like to sew it like this rather than we fold the fabric in half. Sew this part and open the seam. It will make our bow more bulky, so I choose to sew the left and right side here, as it will be hidden once we attach the center of the bow. Now I will gather the bow using needle and thread. Just sew it right here in the middle. And you can get a perfect symmetry size. The left and right size, it's the same, exact same size. And next I will attach a hair tie or hair clip. It really depends on you, but I prefer hair clip because my hair is quite wavy after I tie my hair up with a hair tie. So I'll just use a hair clip. Just put right in the middle here. Use some hot glue to attach the clip. Next, prepare the centerpiece of the bow. This is 8 cm by 15 cm. I will write the size in inches below here. So we fold the fabric in half and sew right here. Next, we just flip the centerpiece. Flip it inside out. And I will fold it like this, just to make the centerpiece more beautiful, rather than we only use plain fabric. Just like this. You can see the wavy here. And I will attach it right in the middle. And sew this part. For sewing the centerpiece more tidier or neat, I like to sew a temporary stitch right here. Just sew a temporary stitch. Move the needle. See here. Move the needle to the left. Okay. Here you can see that this is our temporary stitch, so we just gonna cut this off and flip the fabric inside out. And you can see after we flip the centerpiece, we can just add a dab of glue here just to make sure that the centerpiece stays in place. Just a little. And our hairbow, our beautiful hairbow is finished. Thanks for watching my tutorial. If you find this tutorial useful, please give me a thumbs up and share this video. If you don't, just hit the dislike button and tell me what you don't like. See you in my next video. Bye! Ooh. This is why I said burning fabric only works on synthetic fabric. It won't come off.